All right, good morning, guys. As you can tell, I'm back at this field. I've searched this place like once, found a little bit of good stuff, but I didn't know how much more they was going to do out in the grass, so I didn't want to get too close up there. But obviously, since they're tramming excavators and wiggle trucks on it, I don't think I'm going to mess it up too much. So let's get hunting. All right, guys, I've made it to right here. It was a 15, and I was just seeing what it was. It's hitting a little higher now. So this might actually be something good, so I turned y'all on. Yeah, I try to keep the camera on as much as possible, but it gets hot, overheats, and I've been trying to just, I don't know, instead of walking around talking as much, finding it, turning the camera on, and then going from there. It's kind of deep. Hopefully it's something good. Might be junk too, might it? Yeah, this place here though, I don't know. I want to get it hunted before they actually turn it into a baseball field, and then you can't get back on it. And what is it? Is that it? Piece of wadded up pop can. Well, that's no fun. Let's see what else we can get. Okay, got a 25, 24. It's deep too. That is weird. We'll get some big in here. Damn, that's deep. All right, there's a big bottle cap. All right, found another 21, 22. Let's see here. Man, these bugs are eating me up. This sucks. Oh, a rock or something. Should be a priceless coin, and I'm digging at it like a madman. No, there it is. I just seen it. Thought I just seen it. Go away, bug. Oh, I didn't. I missed it. Yeah, the beauty about this, my plugs don't have to be perfect because they are screwing this place up, tramming an excavator around on it. Okay, we still got a 23. So it's probably a piece of trash, my guess. Nope, it's not. It's a coin. It's a penny. It's an old one too. Or not like super old. It's an 82. Heck yeah, wasn't a complete loss. Wasn't a complete loss. Okay, got us another good solid 22, 23. Now, I'm not on my game today, am I? Oh, there it is. It's like, say it's like some harmonica reeds or something out of a musical instrument back. I don't know, some kind of reed in it. Okay, I found a really deep signal here. See if I can get it to hit again. See, it's like a 12-14. Man. Might be pure trash too. No, it's not pure trash. Holy crap, dude. That was a really freaking deep nickel. Dang it, man. That was a deep nickel. Alright. Alright, hold on. Let me see if I can get this thing, get a date off this. And I'll be right back. Alright, guys. That's a 1981. Man, that was deep. I can't believe that. That's freaking awesome. All right, let's see if we can find some more good stuff out here. Okay, I found a 13. It's showing pretty deep too. I say it's probably trash though. Look how hard that's, I don't know, I could be wrong. I got a feeling this here's trash. Man, I can't believe I found that nickel that deep. That is crazy, man. Which makes me wonder how many nice coins I've passed up because they've just been a tiny little blip and I thought it was junk, you know what I mean? Rookie mistakes, guys. Rookie mistakes. But that's it right there. No, that's a rock. I thought that was a little button. Oh, there it is. Dang, dude, that's another deep ass coin. Holy crap. It's another nickel. All right, let me get this one cleaned up and I'll see what it is. $1964. And it's been down there a while, ain't it? That one has been down there a while. Heck yeah, dude. I think I might have snagged it with the shovel or something. It'll be all right. Heck yeah, man. All right, dude. I'm getting excited now. All right, we got us a crazy one, guys. Whatever it is, it's pretty big. Oh, it's a freaking pop can, man. That sucks. It's an old Miller can. Okay, we got us another deep 13, 14. This in here probably an old pull tab, maybe. I'm gonna cut another plug here, make it a little easier on me. Man, it's kind of nice. Like, not having to worry about what the, like, you know, I am worried about what it looks like, but at the same time, them trimming excavators and stuff on it, it's pretty nice. Yep, pull tab. Okay, yeah, I found a shallow 15 here. Figured it was, yep, there it is. It's a pull tab. All right, off to the next one. All right, we got us a good solid 16, 17 here. Sounds pretty good. It's probably trash, but thing is, this right here is already messed up, so I ain't got to worry about really making a super mess here to okay, is that it right there? Oh, it's a piece of freaking chain link fence. Can't believe I found that out here. Which it might be good. Might be fence off of from where the old building or school or whatever it was here. Okay, can't even tell it. That was easy. Okay, let's see, we got us a, I don't know what it is, 20, 24 something. It's not very deep. I don't think I really got to worry about my plug on this one, do y'all? There it is. Boom. It's a penny. Chilled penny. Think I got that out before the... Okay. I got a 24, 25. It don't seem very deep. I might luck up. It might be something good. I doubt it, but it could be. Oh no, it's out though. I thought it was out. I was wrong, wasn't I? Oh, somebody been shotgunning beers. All right, found a good 18. Might be a penny again. Be easy enough to find, won't it? Yeah, easy enough. Oh, nope. Sure God, that wasn't that pull tab coming up that high. I bet it was. All right, guys, found a, I don't know if it's got any iron in it or not. It does. It's big. There it is. A big ass chunk of metal and a beetle. 13, that's probably oh, there's grass under that. Heck yeah, dude, there might still be some good stuff right here. Well, I missed it, didn't I? Another piece of beer can. What the hell y'all doing drinking on school property? Man, it sounds good. I bet that's probably a pop can or a beer can. Maybe not. Let's try it. Heck yeah, dude. Oh. Yeah, we finally got some rain, so it's a little bit easier digging stuff now. Dude, it wasn't a pop can. I see it right there.